जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 5th chapter कर्म संन्यास योगम 28th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्री कृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, Atma Darshanam should be your supreme goal. Atma Sakshatkaram, self-realization should be your only fruit. For that, I am going to tell you a short version of Yoga Abhyasam. As I earlier told you, you have to strictly restrict all kind of material objects getting into your mind. You restrict that and focus your vision upon your tip end of nose. Then keep doing your pranayamam. Along with all this process, engage your senses, mind and intellect in attaining Atma Darshanam and get freed from desire, get freed from fear, get freed from anger. Arjuna, if you keep doing this kind of yoga abhyasam, very soon you will be able to get relieved from the clutches of karma. That happens right now when you are in this body. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma giving us a short version of yoga abhyasam for all of us to attain Atma Darshanam and relieved from the clutches of karma bondage. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Yatendriya manobuddhihi munirmoksha parayanaha vigatecha bhayakrodho yassada muktayeva saha. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your duties as my service, keep on doing namaskaram to me, surrender to me alone unconditionally, mamekam saranam vraja, do not cry, ma suchaha, keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka, keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you like, I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad-Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad-Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava-sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. In Srimad-Bhagavatam, Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Maharshi discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Srimannarayana saying to Vedagarbha Chaturmukha Brahma like this, O Vedagarbha, Srujami tapasayeva idam. This entire Visvam, I am bringing it out with the power of my tapasya. Grasami tapasa punaha. Only with the Shakti of tapasya, I am again withdrawing this entire universe. Bibharmi tapasa visvam. Only with the power of tapasya, I am able to take care of this entire Visvam. Like that, when Paramatma said, now Chaturmukha Brahma is responding to Srimannarayana like this. O Paramatma, Sarva Bhutanam Adhyaksha Avasthito Guham. I realize that you are existing in each and every entity's heart. O Paramatma, I realize that you are the one who would witness everyone's every activity. There is no any kind of limitation to your jnanam. O Paramatma, in this entire creation, everyone, what they are doing, what they are planning to do, everything you would know. O Nadha, tadhapi nadhamanasya nadha nadhaya nadhitam. Please bless me and fulfill my wishes that I am going to reveal to you. O Nadha, I would like to understand your entire tattvam. I would like to understand your divine swarupam. That amount of wisdom, can you please bless me? O Paramatma, Urna Nabhihi Yadha Urnute. As and how a spider brings out entire web from its own, and spider lives in that web for a while, and then the spider takes entire web into its stomach. That is how, O Paramatma, you are also bringing out this entire Visvam and then letting it sustain for a while, and then again withdrawing and taking this entire Visvam into yourself. O Paramatma, I would like to understand this your activity very well. Tadha tat vishayam dehi manisham mayi madhava. I would like to understand every of your activity to its fullest extent. Can you please bless me that amount of buddhi? Can you please bless me that amount of jnanam? Hey Bhagavan, what I am now going to do is Srushtikarya. Please bless me to carry out my duties perfectly. And also please bless me to act like an instrument in your hands. Please bless me not to feel ahankaram, not to get ahankaram while doing Srishti Karyam. Like this, Chaturmukha Brahma praying Srimannarayana and requesting Srimannarayana to fulfill his wishes. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Idam Shariram Parinamapesalam Patati Avasyam Sledha Sandhi Jarjaram Kimaushadhaihi Klisyasi Mudha Durmate Niramayam Krishna Rasayanam Piba Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 5th chapter 28th sloka. Yatendriya Manobuddhihi Munirmoksha Parayanaha Vigatecha Bhayakrodho Yassada Muktaye Vasaha. Yatendriyamano buddhihi munirmoksha parayanaha vigatecha bhayakrodho yassada muktaye vasaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.